This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. And this is everything that you get in the box. And you do get an extra filter, which is cool, and a fragrance freshener. So that reveals the digital display, and there's also a warning not to look into the UV light. Under the vacuum cleaner, it's very important, but actually they make it almost impossible for you to do that. Now, actually, I love this smell, this ocean breeze tablet, so I'm going to stick my tablet in there because I think it smells pretty good. Be sure to check your manual for what the icons mean on your vacuum, and you'll appreciate the long cord because you can do your entire mattress. Okay, so I literally just had this new Beauty Rest mattress delivered. I've never slept on it. It's brand new out of the plastic, and I am going to test this vacuum on it because I'm not expecting to catch much. And then shortly, we're going to vacuum my 12-year mattress that has never been vacuumed before and see the difference. Okay, just bear with me. It'll be fun. Okay, so there's nothing but a little dust in there. Okay, let's go. So I'm actually very pleased with these results because it's not much more than the new mattress. I mean, I did keep the mattress in really good shape and I always slept with toppers, so that's probably why the results aren't that dramatic. So I also was able to use it on my mattress topper, and you will too. And although I didn't get a whole lot of dust or mites or anything like that in my go around, it does give me peace of mind because I am getting up any little particles that's left on there. And if there are any mites or any bed bugs, I know that this is going to handle it. And it's going to do some pretty good disinfecting with that UV light. Just be careful not to look directly into it, and it shouldn't because there's a safety feature where it doesn't even come on if you're holding it upright like that. So good luck, and I'll be using mine. I like it. I think you'll like it too.